Welcome to Remdy's world. It's time to reveal. I know how long you guys been waiting for this. Reveal the little beast, Toyota Galenza V. It's got 130 horsepower, but it's no modification pretty much. It's pretty much stock. It's got these at the back, the dash. They usually don't have holes. It's custom. That's the only customs in there. The Pioneer ones, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it is Pioneer ones. And pretty much a stock exhaust. We're gonna change that. And it's been resprayed, and pretty much it's a stock interior. These seats are actually non-turbo Galenza seats, and I just got the new batteries yesterday, and that's the turbo oil feeder. These come stock and 130 horsepower, and it's about 170 newtons of torque. It's around that, but I'll give you the details on the side. And so this is a stock turbo. So yeah, I want to change this turbo is because the head is cracked right here, so it will lose power. So I got a brand new one from Alibaba. Such a good price. I'll put the link below so you guys can buy from there. It's got blower valve, so I'm not going to change that. I'm going to leave that stock. It's a HK's blower valve, and pretty much I'll just tidy up all the oil leaks and make it back to it's supposed to be stock Galenza V and a bit more horsepower. Yeah, thanks and stay tuned. Next 3, 4, 5 episodes. Thank you for your support, and please give it a like and thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.